Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Chinia and today's video is sponsored by Queen Virgin Remy Hair. These are their body wave bundles in 26 inch and 12 inch, and this is the hair I used today for my sister. I 100% recommend human hair for these type of braids because braids are not cheap nowadays, and there's no point in spending hundreds of dollars on braids with some cheap $5 synthetic crochet hair in it that's gonna mat up in 5 seconds. So yeah, y'all need to get this human hair. I recommend this hair specifically for sure. My sister's had these braids in for a few weeks now and she loves them. She tells me all the time how much she loves them, and the hair isn't matting up, tangling up, shedding, any of that. So I 100% recommend this hair. The only thing I would do different next time is I would get longer than 12 inches for the ends. I kind of struggled when I got to the ends because the hair was so short. So the next time I do these, I would definitely go with at least like 18 inches. But other than that, the hair was perfect. I'm actually going to be quiet and let y'all just watch the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next time, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.